This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Battery replacement, Ford Ranger. Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering wheel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Support the hood with the prop rod. Loosen the cable clamp nut and disconnect the cable from the negative battery terminal first. Then disconnect the cable from the positive battery terminal. Loosen and remove the battery hold-down clamp. Lift out the battery. Be careful, it's heavy. Make sure that the cable ends are capable of providing a clean connection to the battery terminals. To ensure this, clean the cables with a battery brush. Clean the battery tray, making sure the battery will be set on a smooth, even surface. Install the battery onto the battery tray. Install the battery hold-down clamp. Tighten the clamp bolt securely. Connect the positive cable to the positive terminal on the battery. Tighten the nut securely, then secure the protective cover over the positive terminal. Connect the negative cable to the negative terminal of the battery. Tighten the nut securely.